split into five main sections. Five. So, yung first one will be the fundamentals, basically yung parang basics lang. Yung mga kailangan mong malaman bago ka magsimula para ma-maximize agad yung execution mo. And section 2 is the actual execution, like yung actual part ng paggawa, yung ano, like step by step shits. And section 3, sorry, is gonna be the mindset. So ano ba yung top mindset ng mga best clippers? What separates the clippers who quit versus those clippers who actually get consistent earnings from clipping? Section 4 is what's next or closing. Basically, this is just about kung ano yung sunod na steps na iti-take mo kapag maganda na yung results mo sa clipping. So this will be the extension from clipping or web clipping to YouTube automation or freelance video editing or other side hustles pa or other career paths na pwede nyong i-take after ng clipping kasi skills ang binibuild natin dito. Hindi lang to basic na side hustle, skills ang binibuild natin para magkaroon tayo ng other options in the future kasi yung skills natin yung gagamitin lang natin. And section 5 is basically time to get started. So I'm just gonna show you everything else that you need to do para makapag-settle down ka na. Alright, so section 1 is the fundamentals. So before I get into it pala, the section 1 fundamentals, atong chapter 0, is just gonna be the free guide all over again. So if hindi mo pa napanood yung free guide, I'm gonna go more into it on this part. But if napanood mo na yung free guide and yung alam mo na yung mga basics ng clipping, how it works, you can just go ahead and skip over to the clipping process, the basic step-by-step process for wall clipping, or you can just skip ahead here sa foundations, yung chapter 1. So if you're already aware sa free guide, you can just skip them. So if not, let's start dito sa introduction. So first, alamin natin ano nga ba ang clipping. Gilid muna natin mga ako. So basically, clipping is where client will pay you money para i-spread yung content nila with clips. So yung clips na to, mga short edited videos lang siya, like 10 to 60 seconds long. And yung content na i-edit mo is ipoprovide na nung client. So ito yung isang example ng clip. So ito si Jake Paul, baka kilala mo siya. So click natin yung example na video dito. Yan. So it's just a normal clip. Nakakuha siya ng 855,000 views. Yan. So this is a clip for the client Jake Paul. So this is from the campaign in WAP called Paul Family Ranch Viral Clipping, kung saan nagbabayad siya ng 75 cents per 1,000 views. So that is relatively like mid-range for payment, but sobrang taas ng viral potential niya. So imagine if he is paying 75 cents for every 1,000 views, etong isang clip na to at the time na ini-screenshot ko siya, meron siyang 805,000. So if minultiply natin siya sa 75 cents, meron siyang $603.75 worth of pay. So if i-compute natin yan sa USD, that's already around 35,000 pesos just from one video. So now imagine mo, if nag-edit ka lang sa phone mo buong araw, gumagawa ka lang ng multiple clips per day, nababayaran ka for your best clips, kayang-kaya mong maka-reach ng at least 1K USD to 2K USD per month with just your phone, even as a student. So yung 1K USD, for your perspective, that's around 60,000 pesos right now. And yung 2K USD, that's already 120,000 pesos. So makakaabot ka na ng 6 digits per month in peso even as a student. Just like some of our members, like ayan, sila Lasagna, nakapag-earn siya ng 1.6K in just 3 months. And he's a complete beginner when he first started. And also, estudyante siya. Yan din si Grimja, 1K, isang buwan pa lang siya sa amin yan. Yan din si Von, nakapag-earn na siya ng 12,000. Yan si Shazam, he is also earning from YouTube automation and sa clipping. So, parang nag-branch out na siya kasi matagal na siya sa game. Ito rin si Wayne Angelo. He is doing YouTube clipping. Ayan, nakapag-earn siya ng 63,000. Ayan, nakabili sila ng iba. So alam mo na yung mga ano yan, alam mo na yan. But yeah, that is how clipping will make you money. So you just get paid for every 1,000 views that you generate. And meron tayong mga minimum view requirements. So ito yung medyo nakakalito for other people kasi inisip nila, ay naka 1,000 views naman ako pero ba't hindi pa ako nababayaran or ba't hindi pa dumarating sa balance ko? Most likely there is a minimum payout or baka hindi ka lang nare-review yet. So you need to get the minimum payout first to be eligible to be reviewed. So, let's say yung example na minimum payout is $5. So, sa $1 per 1K views, kailangan mo ng 5,000 views. So, bago ka ma-approve, you need 5,000 views first. to get your first $5. Yan. So, saan na nga ba yung WAP sa WAP clipping? Kasi, di ba yung pinag-uusapan natin palagi is just clipping. So, mga pumapasok yung WAP dito. So, basically, WAP is just an online business platform kung saan people can do business. And there happens to be a platform na tinatawag natin na content rewards kung saan mare-reward tayo by clipping content for creators on WAP. So, nasa pangalan na siya, content rewards. We get rewarded for clipping content. So, ayan. Dito lang siya. So, ayan. Yung mga client, nag-aantay lang. Ayan, si Lainey, baka kilala mo. So, yung mga clients, inaantay na lang tayo para bigyan tayo ng pera. Kailangan na lang natin gumawa ng clip. So, babasahin lang natin yung requirements na meron sila, yung mga nandito. And then, we're gonna get started. So, ayan. We're gonna be making edits, blah, blah, blah. And kapag meron tayong clip, magsusubmit na lang tayo ng video. Ayan, submit video, put the title, put the link, and then submit. Yan. So, how WAP clipping works, basically meron tayo, di ba, yung WAP, which is the online business platform. Yung clipping naman is the form of marketing with short-form content, which is yung YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels. Doon tayo magpo-post ng mga clips. So, yung mga clients natin, sila yung mga may business, yung mga influencer, mga entertainers, mga streamers, brands, etc. Sila yung kailangan ng marketing. Kailangan nila ng views. And tayo naman, yung trabaho natin bilang clippers, tayo yung mag-edit ng clips para sa kanila. Tayo yung mag-upload sa social media na ginawa natin, mga clipping pages, and mababayaran tayo. So, just to simplify it, here we just go from WAP. We get the campaign on WAP, tapos we post them on YouTube, TikTok, and Reels. Yeah. We join the campaign, the clip gets views, the client approves the clipper gets paid. So, it's just a simple business model. So, ano yung kailangan mo? Very obvious thing na kailangan mo is the e-wallet. So it's either like crypto, bank, PayPal, etc. Any e-wallet will do. So yung common sa atin syempre GCash, bank transfer, Paymaya. So personally yung ginagamit ko lagi is Paymaya o kaya GoTime Bank or BPI. So very very accessible naman yun sa atin lahat as long as meron tayong valid ID. So if wala kang valid ID, just ask your parents to like link their bank account. Hindi naman yun pukunan ng pera. It's where the money will go. So wala namang makuha ang pera dun if you think it's like a scam or something. Yan. So any e-wallet will do. Dito ka makaka-receive ng payout. Gawa ka na lang if wala ka pa. It only takes a few minutes. Or gumamit ka ng sa parents or family mo if wala ka pa. Yan. So syempre, kailangan mo ng pang-edit or yung pang-upload mo. So cellphone ang pinaka-basic. Hindi mo kailangan ng PC or laptop. Yan. Okay? So for editing naman, syempre we're gonna be using CapCut. Pro version is not needed but it is highly, highly recommended. Kasi ito yung ginagamit natin para gumawa ng pera. Ito yung tool. So, better tools will give us better results. Yan. So, number 4 naman, syempre kailangan natin ng mga bagong social media account. So, yung mga social media account na to, dito tayo magpo-post ng clips. So, hindi natin kailangan ng followers. I think isa yan sa mga misconception kasi inisip nila, nagsisimula ako sa zero, wala akong followers. That's completely normal. Lahat ng mga nag-upload sa YouTube or Instagram or TikTok na matataas yung views ngayon, nag-start sila from zero. And tayo rin, nag-start din tayo lahat from zero. Yan. So basically, more accounts will give you more places to post your content. And syempre, lastly, kailangan mo ng time, consistency, and effort. So, ito na yung pinaka-simpleng side hustle na meron. But, kaya kailanganin pa rin ito ng pagtrabaho mo. 'Di ba? Kasi hindi naman tayo magiging magaling sa umpisa. At the end of the day, WAP clipping is a skill. Clipping is a skill. And dapat mahanap mo yung paraan para mag-learn, mag-practice, and go in the right direction. And that is why nandito na tayo sa Full Blueprint kasi yan na yung itutulong